Experiencing issues connecting your AirPods Pro 3 to your Windows laptop or PC? You're not alone. The primary causes are often Bluetooth protocol mismatches and outdated or incompatible drivers. Start by forgetting the AirPods in your Bluetooth settings. Navigate to Settings, Devices, Add a device, and select Bluetooth. Next, reset your AirPods by placing them in the case and holding the Setup button for 15 seconds until the light flashes amber. Run the Windows Bluetooth troubleshooter found in Settings, Update and Security, Troubleshoot, Bluetooth. Crucially, ensure your Windows Bluetooth drivers are up to date. Visit your laptop manufacturer's website and download the latest Bluetooth drivers. Avoid interference from other Bluetooth devices or Wi-Fi. Make sure Bluetooth is enabled and airplane mode is off. Bluetooth 5.4 versus 5.3 conflicts are common, so updating to the newest drivers often resolves the problem. If basic troubleshooting doesn't work, dig deeper into driver compatibility. Some users have found success disabling Bluetooth LE in device settings and repairing. Third-party driver update tools like Driver Booster may help, but use them cautiously. Keep your Windows operating system updated, as newer versions often include Bluetooth stability improvements. If you continue to have connection issues, consider updating your system to Windows 11 to utilize built-in fixes like the Bluetooth Pairing Assistant. The future looks promising with Bluetooth SIG's LE audio aiming to reduce latency and improve Windows compatibility. Windows 12 is rumored to have native Apple device integration. Monitor AirPods firmware updates, as these may include Windows-specific optimizations.